Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix the confirm your identity to send message problem on messenger easily. You can see this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. First open your phone settings and scroll down. Now tap on apps option. Again tap on search bar, search for messenger. Then tap on messenger app and again tap on force stops. Okay, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, delete. Okay, back to home screen and now tap on permission option and first to last allow all permission. First calendar, allow, back, camera, allow, back, contacts, allow, back, and another location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos. Okay, allow all permission, complete. Okay, back to home screen and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. Okay, done. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone. Okay, back to home screen and now go to Google Play Store or App Store. Tap on search bar, search for messenger. Now check update your messenger app. My messenger app already updated to the latest version. Okay, back to home screen. Now open your messenger app and tap on message option and now send your message. And I hope easily your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.